Hello friends, I am Kesav Murthy. I am an HR cum educational consultant. The title of this video is Good News to India. It's really a good news to India, primarily because India is a developing country and because we are developing in leaps and bounds, we import lot of products and we export whatever is possible from our country. When we import, one of the major product which we import is crude oil and natural gas, which are used as fuels for various applications in India, and because of which we spend a lot of foreign exchange, and the entire Indian economy is dependent on how much we spend on this crude oil. Now, in the crude oil, there are two components of cost. One is the actual price of the crude oil. The other one is the transportation cost of the crude oil from the producer to India. Now, India is actually finding a feasibility of a sea route, new sea route called Eastern Sea Route. That is Eastern Sea Route connects the East Indian coast, Chennai, Calcutta, and Vizag to the east coast of Russia, Vladivostok and Olga. And this sea route goes via Malaysia, Philippines, and South Korea. So it can connect the ports in these three countries also. If this particular sea route is feasible, then perhaps India will be saving a lot of foreign exchange, because this new sea route, the total distance is 5,647 nautical miles, and it takes 24 hours to reach from Chennai to Vladivostok. But the existing sea route is via Suez Canal sea route. The total distance is 8,675 nautical miles, and the time taken is about 40 hours. And obviously, one can see there is a lot of saving of distance and time, because of which a lot of money also will be saved. And once this route is feasible, we can import crude oil and coal, timber, and agricultural produce, natural gas from Russia, and we can also export many other industrial products from India to Russia. On the way, we can service Malaysia, Philippines, and South Korea countries also. So this is quite likely to happen in the next 2 years. If this happens, I think it will be really a big good news to India. The same information is given in this sheet of paper. This will reduce the dependence of India with the Middle East to some extent, so which will ease the political pressure and economic pressure of the country. Thank you.